Hello and welcome to this new lesson in which I'm going to show you how you can triple your AdSense revenue or your ads revenue in general from your WordPress website. I will show you a practical example on how this plugin works. We have a free version on the WordPress store. You can get it from the video description. You will find the link and you can download it directly to your WordPress website using this link. Now, let's say that we have this blog post and it shows people how to download FreeSync software. It's some kind of software. Now, when someone clicks on download FreeSync for Windows, he will get redirected directly to the download page, as you can see here on OneDrive, and the download will start. Now, this means that we lost the visitor. But what if we can redirect this link click to another page in which the user have to wait for 5 or 10 seconds, you are the one to decide, and he will see 3 or 4 or 5 more ads, AdSense ads or any type of ads. How to do this? Well, we have the external link plugin. Simply activate it, select the waiting time that you want the user to wait for, and in here you can add the advertisement that you need to place at the top of the page, in the middle of the page, and at the bottom of the page. Click Save Changes, and you can place AdSense ads or any type of ads in these 3 boxes. Now, once you click Save, let's go back and refresh the page. Now, any external link, any link that directs people outside your website will be included using this external link plugin without any effort from you. So now when we click on this link, we will not get to the download page directly. We will get this message: you are being redirected, and you are checking the link, and it will wait for 5 seconds. Then this button will appear, and once he clicks here, he will go to this ad, then to the download page. So now, instead of losing your visitors, you can redirect them to another web page with Facebook, AdSense, or any type of ads to triple your revenue. You can make 3 times more money from this plugin. Now, after testing this plugin, we have found out that from like 30 visitors, you can get up to 90 ad and 90 to 150 ad view, and we saw our revenue coming up 5 times more than originally without this plugin. You can get the link on the video description. We have a free version of this plugin so that you can use it and test it out and see the ads on your website. You don't have to pay anything, and we also have a premium version with more features. You can also check it out in the video description. Thanks for watching this lesson. This was a practical demonstration in which we are showing you how this WordPress plugin can help you redirect any visitor. Instead of losing him directly, you are redirecting him to a page, a waiting page, in which he can see more ads and you can get more money. No harm done, and he will get what he wants, and you will get more money from each visit. Thanks for watching this video. This is Ashraf from Moneymakers Academy.